Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Live in Irving. This is your girl Latanya Irving. In today's video, I will be talking about statement pieces, and I will be showing you 3 examples of statement pieces and how to style them. So if you don't know what statement pieces are, then you're going to want to stick around and watch this video. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell, and let's go ahead and let's talk about jewelry. So a lot of people I notice are afraid to go bold with their jewelry. It's like a lot of people I know in my circle, they like to play it very safe. And some people feel like, just keeping it simple is the best way to go. And everyone has their own preference. So I am an extra girl. I love bling. I love things that sparkle. I love to stand out, and I love bright and bold colors, as you can see by this busy shirt. So let's get started and talk about this shirt. When we're going to coordinate statement pieces, we have to look at the neckline and the top that we're wearing, or the print as well. So you don't want to have too much going on if you have a like leopard print. You don't want to have diamonds and big bold pieces. So this is like a see-through kind of fuchsia pink, and it has the ruffly sleeves. It's a very cute top, and it's busy enough. It comes up here, so there's no need for a necklace, okay? If you were to put a necklace here, I'm just going to take one of these little necklaces. This is just like one of my key necklaces, and again, it's everyone's preference, but let's just say I were to wear a necklace. I mean, you can get away with it. I don't think that it's needed because you already have enough going on with the shirt. There's a lot going on. So instead of wearing a necklace with this top and this neckline, most importantly, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the wrist. So we're going to focus on the fingers, and our statement piece will be the earrings. So these are one of my favorite pairs of earrings. Again, I love sparkly things, and these earrings I do sell online on my website. So if you're interested, the link will be below. They say love, and you can see them. They're sparkly diamonds. They're pretty long. And so this would be a statement piece. A non-statement piece would be like a daintier, smaller earring. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to put these earrings on, and then you'll see that it's just enough. Okay, I am back. So now you see I've gone ahead and I've added the earrings. So again, we have a neckline already with these ruffles. So my statement piece will be my other pieces. Like here's the rings, here's the bracelet, and you may not see the bracelet much because of the sleeves, but this is the appropriate way to wear a statement piece with this type of neck. So we are on to this V-like neckline. So all of this goes down. So I have a lot of space to play with. So the next statement piece will be this ornate silver piece, and it's really bold and beautiful. It is definitely a statement piece. It has coins on it, and just look at the detail. It's pretty big. And again, there's a lot of space. So if you have a lot of space here and you're going to wear a big piece like this on your neck, then you don't have to do so much on the earrings. There's no need to have like anything big and bold up here. Now, again, it's your preference. I am extra. I don't play it safe. But for people that are afraid of statement pieces, don't be. It really amps your style game up a lot. Now this has a lot of room, so you can wear it high or you can wear it low. And basically, I am going to pair this with just some gold balls. I'm going to show you 2 options. Silver. So you can do this option and do a silver stud ball. I would just say don't do too much. You can definitely do a hoop. So, I mean, this is plenty. And I'm gonna zoom up. Or you can do a small hoop. And I'm going to stick this small hoop on this side. Whatever you have, but just, this is just plenty right here. So which one do you guys like? So as you can see, let me zoom up a little bit more. See if you can see this better. All right. So yeah, see how pretty this is? So this is definitely making a statement, and you don't need to make a statement up here. This is plenty. I think I like the hoops better. But you know, the bob that I'm wearing, you're not going to be able to see much. But I think I would prefer the hoops. But if you're a little bit more on the conservative side, or you know, you just don't like things hanging on your ears, then I would say this would be a great option. So now I have on a white t-shirt. Let me see if I can zoom out just a teeny bit. Okay, so I have a white t-shirt on with a V-neck collar again. So I'm going to take this really super big chunky piece right here. And this is, like I said, I'm extra, but this is super chunky and it's stars. So this piece right here, I decided to claim for myself, you know, because I loved it and there was no more left. And so I decided to keep this because it's unique. So yeah, this right here, I would pair this with, like, you know, some jeans and a t-shirt. Just some nice denim jeans, a t-shirt, and I'm not showing the entire outfit, but you'll get the idea. And you have enough extension to wear it up further as a choker. So I'm going to put mine up a little further. Okay, so I've paired this big chunky piece again with a white t-shirt, and it comes with the earrings, and this is super duper duper cute. Like, so what do you think? This is how you accessorize big, bold statement pieces. They're not so bad. They really amp up the game of your outfit. You know, again, just some simple t-shirt and jeans, and just this necklace. You see how you can just glam that outfit right on up. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.